Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a Facebook account without phone number. So first of all, open a browser and open facebook.com, and once you're here, click on create new account and enter here your first name and last name. We are going to create a Facebook account without our phone number. So for that, here you will need to enter your email address, and we enter your email address here, and now enter a strong password. Then select here your birth date and select your gender and click on sign up, and you will get a verification code to your email address. So all you have to do is just enter the verification code here and click on continue, and here you can see I've successfully created my Facebook account without phone number. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.